The 2026 Jeep Wrangler EV 4xe arrives as Jeep's most sophisticated electrified Wrangler yet, blending the brand's legendary off-road DNA with a next-generation plug-in hybrid powertrain and upgraded hardware. For 2026, Jeep has equipped the Wrangler 4xe with ZF's new 8 HP 80 PH plug-in hybrid 8-speed automatic transmission, replacing last year's ZF 8 HP 75 PH unit and promising both stronger electric motor integration and smoother shift logic. Alongside this, Jeep has refined the battery management software to boost EV-only range from the previous 20 miles to an estimated 30 to 40 miles per charge and recalibrated the Selec-Terrain traction management modes for more confidence-inspiring grip in sand, mud, snow, and rock settings. Under the hood, the Wrangler 4xe pairs a 2.0-liter DOHC direct-injection turbo i4 engine with two electric motors, one sandwiched between the engine and transmission and another integrated into the gearbox, to produce a combined 375 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. The enhanced transmission's front motor now delivers 215 horsepower and 332 lb-ft, up from 134 horsepower and 181 lb-ft. While the rear motor remains mated to the driveline for full-time four-wheel drive and instant electric torque distribution. Charging times have also improved. On a Level 2 charger, the 17.3 kilowatt-hour battery can be replenished in roughly 2 hours, and Jeep's updated regenerative braking strategy yields a noticeable improvement in single-pedal drivability. Though official MSRP figures will be confirmed closer to launch, estimates place the 2026 Wrangler 4xe's entry price at around $52,000 for the Sport S4xe, with prices climbing into the mid-$60,000s for the Sahara and Rubicon X trims equipped with premium options. Jeep's gas-only Wrangler Sport is expected to start near $35,000, providing a roughly $17,000 premium over the base model in exchange for the FEV's efficiency and instant electric boost. Federal EV tax credits, up to $7,500, remain available on qualifying 4xe configurations, potentially bringing the net cost of entry closer to that of a mid-trim gasoline Wrangler. Jeep has confirmed that production of the 2026 Wrangler 4xe will kick off in late 2025 at its Toledo complex, with first customer deliveries slated for early 2026. The new model will debut at the 2025 Los Angeles Auto Show before arriving in dealerships nationwide. Time to capitalize on spring season demand and the start of peak off-road season. Reservations opened in Q3 2025, and Jeep's online build and price tool is already accepting configurator submissions for expected delivery slots in Q1 2026. Inside, the Wrangler 4xe carries over its utilitarian yet tech-rich cabin, highlighted by a standard 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an available 9-speaker Alpine audio system with subwoofer for immersive sound on trail or highway. A new digital rear-view mirror option uses a rear-facing camera for an unobstructed sightline, while heated front seats and steering wheel are now bundled in the Overland and Rubicon trims for cold weather comfort motor trend. Exterior appointments remain unmistakably Wrangler. Removable doors and modular Sky One Touch power top, round LED headlights flanking the iconic 7-slot grille, available 20-inch wheels, and a robust steel front bumper